Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on lane assist in your BMW. First, find the driving assistance button, usually located on your center console. Pressing this button will bring up the driver assistance menu on your iDrive screen. From there, simply select either lane keeping assistant or steering and lane control assistant to activate the feature. It's a straightforward process designed to enhance your driving experience with just a few simple steps. Once activated, you can easily customize your lane assist settings to suit your preferences. Navigate back into the lane assist menu on your iDrive display. Here, you'll find options to adjust the system's sensitivity and how it intervenes. You can select an early, medium, or late response for steering corrections. Additionally, you can modify the vibration intensity of the steering wheel, ensuring the lane departure warnings are just right for you. Knowing what the indicators mean is key to understanding your lane assist. When the system is active and functioning, you will see a green steering wheel icon illuminated on your instrument cluster. Furthermore, green lane markings will appear on your iDrive screen, confirming the system is recognizing the road lines. If a yellow icon or a warning message appears, it typically means the system is temporarily unavailable, perhaps due to unclear road markings or adverse weather conditions. While lane assist is a fantastic feature, it's crucial to remember a few important tips. This system is a driver aid, not an autonomous driving solution, so always remain attentive. It might not perform optimally in challenging conditions like heavy rain, snow, or when lane markings are faded or unclear. Always keep both hands on the steering wheel, as the system requires your engagement and will prompt you if it detects your hands are off for too long.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.